Hello everybody, it's Mr. Vegas straight from Bicycle Casino in LA, coming to you live in stereo and 4K definition straight to Old Man's Coffee YouTube channel. What's up people? As you heard, September 4th, 6 o'clock, Westgate Poker Room will have a meetup game. I expect all of you to come and witness the historic battle between your Mr. Vegas and Senor Old Coffee, your buddy. All subscribers, friends, fans, family members, and poker players from Westgate, I expect you to be there. Come to witness this historic battle between Mr. Vegas and Old Man Coffee, and the winner will quit poker forever after that. See you September 4th. Adios.